What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So exclusive Nothing Phone 2 first look. Get a sneak peek at Carl Pai's highly anticipated Nothing Phone 2 smartphone. The new Nothing Phone 2 is the very first renders. For Carl Pai there falls. How to know all this here, please watch the video till the end. If you are new here for our daily tech news, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well. The second generation Nothing Phone comes out into the open, albeit not in official ways. The credit goes to OnLeaks and SmartTracks, who just shared the very first renderings of the smartphone on the network, allowing us to appreciate its particular design, which substantially incorporates the lines of the first model debuted on last summer. The device arriving in July is shown from all angles. Interesting is the image that highlights the main difference compared to the Nothing Phone 1 that we find on the back, especially regarding the LED flash, which from single becomes double. The source summarizes the variations of Nothing Phone 2 thus. Backlight design predominantly affects the top of the rear body, including the area around the dual cameras. Curved back panel. The rear shell is slightly curved so as to be more ergonomic. Curvy front panel. The display is also slightly curved. Curved frame. To give continuity to the curved front and back. The frame also has slightly softened lines. Dual LED flash. From 1 to 2 LED flashes. Improved wireless charging lights. From a single light to multiple lights, so you can customize them. According to the news, the new Nothing Phone 2 will be based on Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform and will have a 6.7 inches display, 0.15 larger than the Nothing Phone 1 smartphone. The battery will be 4700 mAh as confirmed by Carl Pai. Swimming up, display 6.7 inches FHD Plus, mobile platform Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, battery 4700 mAh. Rear cameras too with dual LED flash. The Nothing brand CEO Carl Pai took to Twitter to label the Nothing Phone 2 renderings posted online as fakes. He did not add anything more, and Twitter insider OnLeaks responded to the tweet by recalling that maybe they are not 100% accurate, but false is actually a bold and wrong statement. The leaker specifies that the design of the smartphone, as well as other smartphones of which renderings are shown, was created on a live images of a test unit. It is expected that the new Nothing Phone 2 will officially launch in July this year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.